In this video, I want to clear up a little confusion that some people have about what we'll do in the next couple of videos. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to give you a number of keyword tools so you can find the maximum number of keywords to use in your next video and all your future videos. First of all, I'm not affiliated with any of them. I'm only recommending it to you because I think they will help you. I don't make any money from recommending them. They are just standard tools. Now, there are half of the students of this course, they love tools. They're like, give me more tools. Half of the other students in this course, they're like, there's too many tools. Literally, I get these messages all the time. One message, more tools. Another message, too many tools. What am I to do? Now, if you love all the tools, you want more tools, take the videos in chronological order. If you're a beginner and you feel a little overwhelmed, don't feel overwhelmed. You really just need to use one tool. It will take care of 90% of the job for you. I would recommend, if you're a beginner, the vidIQ plugin that I will be showing you in the future, coming up shortly, that's the tool probably that's going to be easiest for you. I do also recommend that you give the Google keyword tool a very strong try because it's it's like the most important keyword tool pound for pound. It's for Google search, but it's everywhere. Like, you really need that one to be a good online marketer. So I strongly recommend you get comfortable in that. I'll be walking you through click by click how to use everything, so don't worry. But if you feel overwhelmed, you can feel free to skip the Google keyword tool and just stick to the vidIQ, because that's going to get you pretty much like whatever you need, whatever keywords you need, it will get them for you. And if you want to, be an A student or whatever, or go the extra mile, do your best to sign up, register for the Google keyword tool. It's a little bit of a long process, but I promise you in the end it will be worth the effort. So now that you know what's coming up, let's dive right in to all the tools.